All right. Welcome back. All right. So in this example, what we're going to try to do is find the minor of the square by matrix and then also its cofactor expansion. Okay. So from the notes, we should see that for the uh, to find the minor of A23, what we're looking for is the second row and the third column. Okay. So we're going to kind of like imagine that we're going to blot out this row and this column. And we're gonna only consider the maybe like the little some excuse me sub matrix that's there. So we're gonna exclude that cross there. So that second row, not the column. Excuse me. Okay, so the matrix that we're going to consider then is 2, -2, 1, and then we have 1, 0, 1, and then 3, 4, 0. Okay, and so this is the matrix we're gonna play with to find the minor. Okay, we're gonna take the determinant of this matrix, and we'll do it along the usual way along the top row, just to kind of keep with convention so far, and then we'll show later on how to make it easier. Okay, so crossing out that we have 0, 1, 4, 0 minus -2. That's this one. So this row and that, or so, yeah, and this column. We have 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, 0, 3. Okay, and then plus this one, and the matrix 1, 0, 3, 4, 1, 0, 3, 4. Okay, and so we're gonna compute the determinant of each of these. Okay, so we have 0 times 0 minus 0 minus 4, and then a negative make that a plus 2. And 1 times 0 minus 3 times 1, so 0 minus 3 plus, and then 1 times 4 minus 0. Okay, so calculating everything out, we have a negative 4 times 2, which gives us a negative 8. Then we have a negative 3 times a negative 2, which makes it a negative 6. And then we're going to add to that positive 4. This is negative 14 plus 4. So it looks like we get a negative 10 is the as the minor. Okay, so this is our minor value. And now to compute the cofactor, as you saw from the notes, okay, the cofactor for this particular problem is going to be for 2, 3 is going to be -1 to the 2 plus 3. This is the row and the column. Okay, times the determinant, which we just calculated. So this negative 10 comes in here, so we don't need to redo that. And then this negative is 2 plus 3 is a -5. Not -5, sorry, it's a positive 5. But 5 is odd, and so this becomes out to be a negative value. And so this then becomes equal to a positive 10. So this cofactor is a positive 10, whereas the minor turns out to be -10. Okay, so there's an example of computing the cofactor, and I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.